Emma, welcome to the car vlog. Okay, so yesterday I washed it finally and it looks so nice and clean now. And we have started the decorating. It looks really good. My dad thinks that you're not going to be able to see it because of my tire, but I have faith and hope in it. I'm going to put something on these windows too because you'll obviously see those. And I might put something on the front. I don't know yet, but I'll keep y'all posted. Okay guys, this is the finished product. We have some flowers, little design there. Then we have class of 2026 with little smiley faces. I love that one. Then it says senior with a little crown and it's super cute. Okay, then we just have like the span of the 2026s. And then we have a copy of the flowers. Then the front, I did this one myself. It looks really good, super even, the senior 2026.